Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Douglas, and I am a research scientist, a teacher, a tutor, and a dream fulfiller. I will help you fulfill your academic and career dreams. Allow me to share a bit about myself. I am an American residing in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia. I hold a PhD in genetics from the University of Wisconsin in the United States, and have worked at scientific research institutions in the US, Germany, and Malaysia. I am now retired from those institutions. For 6 years, I have been teaching Cambridge IGCSE biology, chemistry, and physics at a learning center in Kota Kinabalu, and also tutor SPM and A-level students in the same subjects. Instructions are in English, although I know some Bahasa. Education is rapidly evolving. That is why I incorporate artificial intelligence, online simulations, YouTube videos, online quizzes, homework assignments, past paper reviews, and personal challenging discussions into my lessons. Contact me for a free, no obligation lesson. Give me the opportunity to help fulfill your academic and career dreams. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for your attention.